How to lock your Emerald card in H&R Block. Follow my instructions. If you've lost your Emerald card or just want to temporarily stop any transactions, you can lock it instantly from the H&R Block app or website. To do this, open the My Block mobile app and log in with your H&R Block credentials. From the dashboard, tap on your Emerald card under the Account section. Next, look for the option labeled Lock Card or Freeze Card. Tap it once, and your card will be instantly disabled, meaning no one can use it for purchases, ATM withdrawals, or online transactions. This is a quick and secure way to protect your funds if you misplace your card or notice suspicious activity. You can unlock the card just as easily. Go back to the same place in the app and tap Unlock Card. It will become active immediately. If you don't have the mobile app, you can also log in at hrblock.com. If you're unable to access your account, you can call the Emerald Card customer service number on the back of the card for help. Locking your Emerald card is the fastest way to prevent unauthorized use while you investigate or wait to find it. Thanks for watching.